Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove the audio or detach the audio from a video clip or in-game recording on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the video clip or in-game recording through the editor on Metal TV. Select the part of the video here on your timeline with your left mouse. You may also move the play to it if you like, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you right click into the given part of the video clip and choose detach audio, and now the audio is has been moved to the audio track, and now you can right click into the audio track and select delete. So now that part here of the video clip won't have any sound. The other option, guys, would be to again click into the video part, then navigate to the audio tab here and select detach audio. So you can do the same method here, use the same method, right click, delete, to detach the audio from the video clip and leave it technically without any sound. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.